Yeah, that's not it.
It's not into the grave, that's just the middle part, right?
That's the middle part.
Oh my god.
Where's the... Holy crap.
Oh, wow.
You saw the grape?
No, the grape's done.
It smells like crap.
Smells like amazing.
Well, don't put a piece of paper in there.
It's a piece of paper. Is everything smoky in here?
Oh.
And where's the grape?
We know the grape.
Oh, there it is.
Wait.
The middle's still lighting up.
Yeah, yours is a fire.
It's the middle still.
So what? It still will go.
Is it hot?
I want a bit. It didn't work so.
I don't get that. Okay, enough. Okay, no more.
We have to clean out the middle.
That's
Why is it
huge!
That's not happening.
It's the middle ones.
Where are they supposed
Try it.
Okay.
Turn off lights, Ellie. Hold on. Everybody get it. Well, no.
Break out this bitch.
Press start. Close.
How do you 10 seconds?
I don't know how to work it.
Chad's gonna do it. Start.
Press start.
Dad!
What is that?
Nothing's gonna happen. It's water.
There's smoke. Wait. Where's the water bottle? The water bottle has to pop. The water bottle.
Oh my god. That's the...
It's like all these colors.
Crazy! Yo, we're asking God to kill us.
Yo, you know what the truth is? You know what's George Orwell? Talk to Malvin.
Are you nuts?
Talk to Malvin. So you know George Orwell.
Oh, he's pissed in it. Read his book.
Yeah.
Oh, CD! Stop it!
No.
Stinks. It smells so bad.
Feels the radiation.
Turn it off. We're all getting cancer. We're all gonna die, but it's freaking hilarious.
What am I gonna
No.
It's just gonna split.
Soap? What happened to soap?
Wait,
Yeah, this is very cool. Very cool. So.
What's around it?
Move back!
A rubber band. They put a rubber band. Just for fun.
We go. Get out. I think it's gonna float.
Takes a minute.
Yeah.
A minute?
Oh, baby. Oh,
We're having a baby.
That's awesome.
It's like, you know. Wait. Get out. You know, pus when you crack.
Oh, baby.
It's like rise.
Oh, yeah, the rubber band wasn't a good idea.
Rubber band, you're stupid. No way for the rubber band.
No, this is SPC.
It's
okay. It's a shot.
He doesn't know.
You will come in.
It smells like, I don't know what.
Soap. Burning soap. Very hot soap.
Yo, no soap microwave.
Stop over that.
Soap is a good
BurningSoapMicrowave.com. Check it out.
Yeah, turn it off and open it up.
This is next.
Did it get big yet?
Are you stupid?
Wait, how big does it
Why
get?
put the rubber band on?
It smells like soap back here. It's fine.
Alright, turn it off and...
Yeah, should I turn it off?
No, it's not running. Still more soap.
What is that? Soap. No way, that's so cool.
Yo, Klein's here. It's right here. Can't smell.